welcome to Cooking for Dogs. This week we're doing something a little bit different. We're going to be showing you how to make a teddy bear outfit using this bear that your dog can wear. It'll be a teddy bear. You can see it's the same colour as the dog, and he's roughly the same size when Roland's sitting up. Roland loves teddy bears. Anything fluffy, he loves it. Let's get started. Now the first thing we need to do, we need to cut the face off. Or the nose off. Now when choosing a toy for your dog, you want to make sure that the height of the dog is roughly the same as the height of the bear that you buy. Just make this a little bit wider if you need to. Take out the eyes. Now take out the stuffing. Alright, so we have the face of the bear off. I'm just going to trim this white fabric off. We don't want that coming through. Now turn the bear onto his back. And we're going to slit from the tail right up to the neck area. Once again, taking all the stuffing out. Leave the arms intact. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut a little incision through the back of the leg here, just through one layer of this. I'm going to cut the leg off. You just want to make a little insert hole. Going to do the same again here. Now pull the stuffing out. So we've got our slit in the leg, and we're going to make another slit up here because these are joined on. Cut off the tag. Now let's try it. Roland. Thanks for watching our video this week. If you loved it, please do share it. Like us on Facebook, check us out on Twitter and on our Instagram account. But above all, have a fabulous week and bon appetit.